Okay, this is a syringe with blue food coloring. I've got a brand new pool liner, I've got brand new skimmers, and I'm losing water. I've lost about 1.5 inches in 2 days. And I've checked all the seams seem to be good. I checked the return lines, they seem to be good. What I did, I turned the pump off, I plugged the skimmers so I can isolate the piping to confirm it's not the piping and the water is leaving from the pool somewhere. Anyway, we're going to check the skimmer. You can see the blue food colorings being sucked outside the skimmer there, so it's definitely a leak. We'll check over here. That seems to be okay over here. The food coloring is not going anywhere, but if you look in this corner, the food coloring is gone. So I'm hoping it's just a loose screw here, not tightened down all the way, because it has a brand new gasket back here, brand new rubber gasket. I'm just hoping the screw's not tightened all the way. Okay, now we are going to check it again. I tightened 3 screws. You see the screws there on the bottom left corner. The 3 all the way to the left. So anyway, well, it appears to not be leaking anymore. So 1, 2, 3. These 3 screws were loose. I turned them like 2-3 times each, and you can see the dye still in there, so it looks like we're in good shape.